Why don't you listen to this?
With you, maybe I'm falling. Di na Ba! Barato na lang mga bulak, oh. Grab a cart, be. Small. Pala ni batao eh. We don't need much because we did not bring a bag. Ay, bali. With these wonton wrappers. And then this. Need a small pack. They don't have it. So let's just get that one. And we have onion na. Do you want a salad?
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
No, not that one.
Not bad.
I'm not sure yet. Let me get the baby bok choy. And baby, can you get me a plastic? Come on back. Tawan nilang lubi, oh. $3.49. Kapayas. Mexican papaya.
Oh.
Grab me a green onion. Bebe, can you grab me an onion? Ay, pagtarong good. Here. Then, this one. That's it.
Oh, that's a bit.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Ay, mangga, oh. Large mango. Napakoy mangga dito. Let's go to the this way.
That's not it.
What?
I thought.
Oh.
This would show where you're going.
I forgot. Here.
What?
Yeah, grab a root beer. This is $4.49.
You should get these tiny cups
No,
with it.
why do you need that? How about this zero sugar?
How about this?
Oh, so come on. Just one.
This is
No, the bottom.
I'm coming back.
Huh?
Huh? I was just singing.
Para asa ng kombucha? Murag nakadungog na ko ano. Talon. Not like that, baby. Parang narinig ko na yung kombucha. Hindi ko lang malaman kung ko lang matandaan. Oh, I need the rice pala. Rice. Oh, I don't have rice anymore. Pork back ribs, $3.99 a pound. Shush. How about this one?
How about this one?
Small man na, oy.
How about this one then? How about this one?
How about this one?
How about this one?
Bale. Karit na.
What about this?
Come on, let's go. Bebe, don't, let's get some eggs first.
Stock up and saving now through September 1st.
Out of stock. Online siya, $265. I don't, $265 ang isa ka kanisya. Ay, let's go to the household. I need a what do you call that? Dishwashing soap.